What happens when Christmas magic meets fluffy surprises? We gave kids the classic kitten and puppy surprise toy. Their reactions are even cuter than the toys themselves. Christmas morning surprises don't get any better than this fluffy reveal.
Come on down. What's in here? Is Dad in here? Dad? Dad. Oh my God!
Is that a dog?
Oh,
Is that ours?
that's your dog.
No! Stop! Stop! Dad! We got a dog!
Oh
We
my
got a
God.
dog! We got a dog! Stop! 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 It's so true! We get a dog! Dog! Yes, thank you! Thank you! Thank you! Thank you, doggy!
Hurry up, Trav.
Quickly, come in.
Attack! Yay! I want to die.
I'm gonna cry.
You've got a new cat.
No, open the big one first. The big one. Good. Just take the lid off.
Their little gasps and screams of joy are everything. So much happiness.
Open your eyes.
Don't squeeze.
Are you ready for a kitten? Close the door, Danny, so it doesn't escape.
Scratch on the whole chin.
Why are you crying?
Do you like this kitten? Is it the one you want?
Well, you know what's special about this one? This one can be a mommy one day. We're not going to get this one fixed, so you'll get to have a mommy kitty. Look, she doesn't know. And it's a girl. And she's going to have long fur. And you know what else you can do? You can walk her with a leash.
Yeah, this kitten, these cats are, they're the type of cat they are. They like to be walked like a dog with a leash.
And they'll
That's what
fetch. You can
want,
teach them how to fetch.
Most cats you can't walk on a leash.
Are we unwrapping it or is it like a box?
Oh my gosh! We got a dog!
Watch as they experience the best gift ever. Which reaction was your favorite?
I heard him meow! I heard him meow! Oh my god! Can we let them?
Okay, guys, the one thing, I don't want them to get outside because they don't know our house yet.
Oh my god!
So,
hold on.
Yes,
You remember yours? Which one?
a little bit, and then we're gonna have them in Sarah's room during the party.
Oh my god! Oh no, I want them in my room.
And Millie's great. Now we'll be in Sarah's room during the party.
Let's see.
Oh my gosh, how cute is that?
His name's Smokey.
Smokey? Okay, twins. These are not Smokey and Tiger.
Oh, but I want to name him Smokey because he looks like her.
She's so happy. She's so sweet. Oh my god. Wait, she's really sweet.
You convinced the landlord. How'd you convince her? Did it?
I did. I did. She said yes. I knew you'd be excited. She's really, really sweet. Her name is Luna.
Oh my god.
Can you stop crying like that? Oh, relax. How cute is she?
She's ours.
She's ours.
That's where you guys would bet so I come inside faster. I'm like, is it a cat? But I don't want to get my phone.
That's why I was like, no, that's why I was
Oh
like.
my god,
Whose room
I'm
is she
excited.
staying in?
She's in your room in case you.
Can you handle this much cuteness? Their joy is absolutely contagious.
Oh my god. I'm gonna cry.
Meet Pepper.
Oh my god. He's the cutest thing ever. Thanks. Oh. It's like a little. I need to snap it. I don't want to kill you. So you just been fast asleep, so that's why you can't start. Where the bloody hell did you put it?
Don't open them.
Tell me when I can.
Happy birthday.
What?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
He's yours, Charlie. He's a boy. And he has blue eyes. And he's a lover. He laid on my chest the whole way home. This was a last minute, out of nowhere thing. Destiny.
This is the pure, unfiltered happiness that makes Christmas so special.
It says, good, I'm surprised mine is behind this wall. Oh my god! Is that real? Is that real? You got a kitten!
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's so cute! You got a kitten!
Wait for everyone.